Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can check all phone specifications of this Nokia. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and simply type in DevCheck. Then download this free app from this developer, Device Check, Hardware and System Info. Now click on Open and thanks to this app you can find out all the information about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!